What's up everybody, Noah from Stage 3 here with another new products video for this month. And we're gonna kick it right off with these OLM fog lights. Now I know I've showed you guys OLM stuff before and we've had a couple new ones come in recently, but this color shift fog light that they make is actually a little bit more unique. Basically, this light gives you the option to switch either between a bright white light or a yellow fog light, and you don't have to add any extra wiring or make any changes to your truck to do it other than replacing the bulb itself. So these are a very convenient way to get a better, more unique style for your truck without having to compromise on just one color or the other. The next new product we have lined up here is this Flowmaster Turndown muffler. Now this is kind of a unique design from other mufflers or catback systems that we sell because it is designed to just be a straight dump out the bottom. So you do still have a muffler to control sound, but this will basically give you more clearance and you don't have to worry about your exhaust hanging up or getting in the way, especially on a vehicle where you might have a larger spare tire underneath and need that extra clearance. This is gonna allow you to get that without having to compromise. So this is a very good option if you are somebody that wants that turn down style or is looking to maximize the clearance that they get with their exhaust. Another new exhaust product that we've got lined up for you guys are these MBRP Eco Sleeper kits for the 3.5 and 2.7 EcoBoost trucks. Basically, these are a MBRP 3-inch exhaust, but it does also have an additional resonator in there, so that way you get a nice quieter tone, but you still get the benefits of adding an aftermarket exhaust. So if you are looking for something that's an upgrade over stock, but is still a little bit more tame as far as the sound is concerned, this is the kit for you. In the realm of new engine upgrades, we have these Accel coil packs, which are available for both the EcoBoost V6 engines and the 5-liter V8s. As you can see here, they do come in some different colors. I've got the yellow ones, but they're also available in black or blue if you want to get something that fits the style of your truck. But these are just a good quick upgrade from factory to help out your ignition and squeeze out that little bit of extra power from your engine. In the realm of interior upgrades, we've got these new seat covers from Northwest Seat Covers, and the one I'm sitting on here is actually their Atomic Pet Protection Mat. And basically this is designed to just be a quick, simple throw-in mat to protect your back seat so you can toss your dogs back here and not have to sweat your upholstery getting ruined or things getting dirty. It also features a little flap that pulls out from the bottom that can attach to the front seats that allows for more of a dish shape, so that way you don't have to worry about your animals falling into the footwell, or if you're using that for storage, it adds a little extra protection there as well. A lot of you guys are already familiar with Baja Designs LP9s, which I've got here on the front of my truck. And while these are excellent, they're a little large for certain applications, but not to worry because they have just released the new LP6. As you can see, this is slightly smaller with 3 less LEDs, but still plenty of power for light output, and also features the same amber backlighting and a very similar round design, which is really nice if you want that more classic Baja look that you wouldn't get from a basic light bar. The last product I've got here for you guys is pretty unique compared to some of the other stuff that we normally bring, and that is the new 1552 TurboMac HD wheels. And these are designed to fit the F-150. We've got them in 17 by 8.5 with obviously right here the dark bronze finish, which you'll recognize from some of Ken Block's vehicles, but they are also available in black depending on what kind of look you're going for your vehicle. But overall, really nice looking wheel, very unique style, and I think it'll be a good fit on pretty much any F-150 build. So that wraps up our new products list for this month. Make sure you guys head down in the comments below, let us know what you think of these parts, or if you've got any other parts in mind that you would like to see in future videos, and we will see you guys next time.